In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability and save specific dates in your scheduling settings. We'll walk through setting your regular weekly hours first, and then we'll add specific dates that override those hours when you need exceptions, like holidays or special events. This approach keeps your default schedule clean while giving you precise control for particular days. Start by opening your scheduling dashboard and look to the left side of the screen. Click on Availability. This takes you to the main page for your working hours and exceptions. You'll see a section for your weekly or regular hours. Here, focus on the days you actually want to offer time. Any day you don't want to be available should be left blank. Leaving a day blank simply means you won't show up as available on that day, which is perfect if you take weekends off or have a midweek day without appointments. Review what's showing, and when you're comfortable with it, click Save Regular Hours. This saves your weekly template so everything else builds on a solid baseline. After that, confirm any prompts by clicking Save if you're asked, and then switch to the Specific Days option. This is where you handle exceptions to your regular schedule. Think of this as your tool for one-off changes, closing for a holiday, opening for a special event, or adjusting for a personal day, without changing your weekly setup. Now click on the date field to open the calendar. If you're applying changes to a range, click the first date, then click forward through the calendar until you reach the end date. Many calendars let you select a start date and then click the end date to highlight the entire period. If you only need a single date, just select that day. You can also enter the date manually in the field if that's faster for you. Use the date format displayed next to the field to avoid errors. Once the date or date range looks correct, click Save. Wait for a quick confirmation or success message so you know the changes are applied. If you don't see a confirmation, check that the date field isn't empty or formatted incorrectly. That's all you need to do. Your regular hours define your standard weekly pattern, and your specific days let you make smart exceptions without rebuilding your schedule from scratch. Give your calendar a quick glance to confirm everything displays the way you expect, and you're ready